Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be walking you through a project I built from scratch to simulate a real world logistics and delivery system. My goal was to create a meaningful and insightful dashboard that could help analyze operational efficiency in last mile delivery scenarios. This end-to-end project include everything from identifying the business use case and creating a synthetic data using Python to build an interactive analytics dashboard and extract key insights. Before jumping into building anything, I started by identifying a relevant real world use case. I looked for an industry where real time decisions and operational bottlenecks are common, and logistics was one of the perfect fit. Especially, I focused on last mile delivery operations, which plays a huge role in customer satisfaction, but are often affected by external factors like traffic, weather, and delivery modes. My aim was to capture those complexities in data driven format. Once I had the problem defined, the next step was to find the suitable data sets. But I quickly realized that there was a no public available dataset that combined orders, customer rights, weather, traffic, and dark stores. All the elements needed to simulate a delivery system. That was a roadblock, but instead of compromising the scope, I decided to generate an entire dataset myself using Python. I created 5 different tables using Python: orders, product, delivery, dark stores, and weather. I made sure each table captures a realistic behavior. For example, randomizing delivery delay based on traffic condition, mapping riders and customer by location, and assigning estimated versus actual delivery types. This helped simulate scenarios that a logistic platform might face in daily operations. This step was a great exercise in domain understanding and data modeling. With the data ready, I moved on to the dashboard. My goal here was not just to make it look visually appealing, but to ensure it provided clear answers to important operational questions. I used a mix of bar charts, line chart, and pie chart, and each chart had a purpose. For example, analyzing delivery time versus traffic, comparing store processing speeds, and tracking payment mode preference. I also designed filters and drill down so user can explore the data from multiple perspectives. The dashboard revealed several powerful insights. For example, bicycle deliveries performed well in short range area but showed higher delay in bad weather. Store with the highest inventory didn't always have the fastest processing time, pointing to operational inefficiencies. I also observed that UPI was the most preferred payment method, and traffic combined with weather condition had a direct impact on actual delivery time. These insights can help business plan delivery strategies more intelligently. Thank you for watching. I hope this walkthrough gave you an idea of how to convert a raw concept into a product like data solution. If you like this project, feel free to check out my other work in the playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in product thinking, data analytics, and AI driven applications. See you in the next one.